Hey, welcome to another video from Medical Gear Outfitters. Just want to kind of show you our options here for tourniquet holders. So you have a tourniquet, you just want to put it on your belt, moll it to a vest, backpack, or a belt, what you'd like to do. So then you have the North American Rescue here. So you have black, tan, red, OD green, and multicam. So this holds the Gen 7 cat. Also holds other previous generation cat tourniquets. You can put this on a belt so you can moll it vertical or horizontal. Then you have the Condor pouches here. This is kind of a universal, so this is going to hold the soft T, Sam XT, things like that. You can actually put the soft T in the NAR holder. You just have to do the fold that makes the soft T a little flatter, but the soft T will fit in here. Then the Condor is the universal, so basically the same colors here. Black, tan, green, multicam for here. Then you have these over here, which is the AR500 pouches. So they have a MOLLE clip that clips into there and then has tourniquet already on the outside of them. You pull this and the whole tourniquet comes flying out. So a couple different options. And then also we have the Vanquest, which looks very similar to AR500, but it already has a panel clip here with it. So you don't need the extra mouse clip to go with it, but has these. So very nice. These are universal as well, so these are going to hold all of the popular tourniquets that we have and sell. Be sure to check these out at medicalgearoutfitters.com. I'll put a link down below.